Have a RNG ringtone from the classic Nokia mobile phone era? This is a monophonic ringtone file from the iconic Nokia Composer feature. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play and convert these vintage Nokia ringtones. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a RNG file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. RNG files are monophonic ringtone files used by classic Nokia mobile phones with the Nokia Composer feature. They contain musical note sequences encoded in Nokia's proprietary ringtone format, including note pitches, durations, and tempo information used to play simple melodies through the phone's speaker as incoming call alerts. RNG ringtone files use Nokia's proprietary binary or text-based format, storing musical notation as note pitch values, octave indicators, duration codes, and tempo settings. The format encodes single-voice melodies compatible with the basic tone generator hardware in early Nokia mobile phones, supporting tempo ranges and note durations matching standard musical notation. Nokia PC Suite, developed by Nokia, serves as the industry application standard for RNG. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows provides only the basics for audio playback. Full production features require audio software. Let's check the compatibility pool. Right-click the RNG file and choose Open With. If Nokia PC Suite is on your system, that is your primary test. If that fails, move to the next app. A bit of persistence pays off. If the RNG file won't open, don't panic. When the simple solution doesn't stick, so let's get technical. We are moving straight into these 3 focused troubleshooting steps now. First, playing in ringtone software. Use ringtone management tools like Nokia PC Suite or third-party utilities like Wave Studio to play RNG files on a computer. These applications interpret the Nokia ringtone format and synthesize the melodies for preview. The Nokia 3310 and similar emulators also play RNG files, authentically reproducing the classic phone audio. Next, converting to MIDI. Convert RNG files to MIDI format using ringtone conversion utilities like Ringtone Converter or online services. The MIDI format preserves the musical notation while gaining compatibility with modern music software. Convert further to MP3 or WAV using DAW software or online MIDI to audio converters for playback in any modern device. Finally, loading on Nokia phones. Transfer RNG files to compatible Nokia phones using PC Suite or by sending via Bluetooth or SMS in older Nokia ecosystems. The phone stores the ringtone in its memory, making it selectable as a ring alert. This authentic experience requires functional vintage Nokia hardware, which is increasingly rare in working condition. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.